Hi guys, I'm Vaidehi and welcome back to my channel Brown Life, and I'm back with another haul video. I think last time I posted a video which was about Myntra clothing items, and this time I have makeup and skincare for you all. I totally understand that my viewers want something which is really affordable and is not heavy on their budget. So I'll say that most of these things are under rupees 300 and I think only two of them are very close to 500. So if you're interested, then please keep watching. So I have collected these things over the period of time, and I'm gonna start with makeup items first. And if you know me, you know that I am literally obsessed with lipstick. So I got this lipstick by the brand Sugar Cosmetics, and this is how small the lipstick is. It's very close to size of my index finger, and I got this for rupees 200. I was so excited while buying this particular lip shade, but when I received it I was so disappointed because this is that very weird neon pink color which will not suit medium and dusky skin tones. I think this will suit fairer skin tone girls पे ज़्यादा अच्छे से. Also the formula is little bit drying, बहुत ज़्यादा drying भी नहीं है, but it's that drying formula कि आपको lip balm के ऊपर ही इसको apply करना पड़ेगा. So yeah, that's a purchase which I'm not happy about. Now moving on to the next lipstick that I have is this one by the brand Inside Cosmetics. It's Inside Cosmetics Matte Lip Ink, and this is how the packaging of this product looks like. I really love the packaging and this white cap of it. Talking about the formula, it sits really nicely on your lips. आपके lips को drying बिल्कुल feel नहीं होगा. Even if you haven't applied lip balm, ये काफी अच्छे से settle हो जाता है lips के ऊपर. Also, I got this for rupees 110, and it's that really pretty brown color जो हर skin tone पे काफी अच्छा लगेगा. I got another shade in the same range, and I have applied that shade on my lips today, and this is the shade I'm talking about. This one is in the shade 04 Cocoa, and you guys can see it looks really nice on my lips, and I totally feel that it's very pretty orange pinkish nude color which will look good on every skin tones out there again. Moving on to the last lipstick in this video is this one by the brand Maybelline. It's Maybelline New York Super Stay Matte Lip Ink, and this is how the packaging of this product looks like. I definitely haven't bought it with my own money. My best friend gifted me this particular shade, and this one retails for MRP 650, but you will definitely find this particular lipstick on sale 350 or 450 में. I got this in the shade 50 version, which is a really pretty rosy pink color. आपका skin tone medium या dusky है तो ये आपके ऊपर ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा. The formula is a bit drying, like not a bit but very drying on your lips. Literally आपको उसको रगड़ के निकालना पड़ेगा even if you use micellar water. Moving on to some base product that I have is this one by the brand Miss Clear. It's Miss Clear Professional Makeup Everyday Foundation, and this is how the packaging of this product looks like. You guys can see काफ़ी अच्छी पैकेजिंग दी है उन्होंने, और मैंने इसको कुछ खरीदा था 350 रुपीज़ का, and I got this in the shade Caramel, और 350 रुपीज़ में मुझे मिल रहा है 30 ml of product. And I think Maybelline Fit Me also gives 30 ml of product for rupees 500 and something. I have applied this foundation on my face today, and you guys can see मेरा face बिल्कुल भी crusty नहीं लग रहा है. It is looking really flawless, and ये जो पर्टिकुलर शेड है ये मेरे स्किन टोन में काफ़ी अच्छे से सूट हुआ है. एंड डेफिनेटली से दैट आई एम रियली हैप्पी विद दिस परचेज. सो इफ यू हैव वेरी टाइट बजट, यू शुड डेफिनेटली गो फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर फाउंडेशन. After applying foundation, we definitely need a compact to set that foundation, and I got this Maybelline Fit Me compact, and this is how the packaging looks like. मेरा पुराना वाला टूट गया था, so I got this new one, and this one is in the shade Natural Buff. ये जो शेड है मेरे फेस से काफ़ी ज़्यादा मैच करता है, and I got this for rupees like I got this for around 200 rupees, और मुझे ये सेल में मिला था, and I say this one is again really nice purchase. Let's move on to another item that I got is this mascara by the brand Swiss Beauty, and this is how the product looks like. इसकी बहुत सुंदर सी सिल्वर पैकेजिंग है. You guys can see मैंने इसको इतना यूज़ किया कि मेरी पैकेजिंग भी इसकी अभी ख़राब हो चुकी है, उतर चुकी है, यहाँ दाग लग चुके हैं. So this much I have used this. I got this for rupees 189 from Purple on sale, and वहाँ पे लिखा था कि ये बेस्ट सेलर है. So I thought let us give this a shot, and the moment I applied this, it is that जेट ब्लैक कलर का मस्कारा. अगर आप पूरा ब्लैक होता है ना तो आपकी आईलैशेस और उठ के दिखती है. लाइक दिस इज अकॉर्डिंग टू माई नॉलेज, बट द थिंग इज इफ यू आर नॉट यूज टू अप्लाइंग मस्कारा तो ये थोड़ा सा बमर हो सकता है आपके लिए, एज दिस वन गेट्स क्लमजी अ बिट. अगर आपका बहुत नया नया है ये मस्कारा, थोड़ा सा आपकी आईलैशेस को चिपक सकता है. लाइक एक दो आईलैश आपकी चिपक जाएंगी और थोड़ा सा इरिटेटिंग फील हो सकता है. बट इफ़ यू आर वेरी यूज टू अप्लाइंग मस्कारा तो आपको धीरे धीरे करके इसके काफ़ी अच्छे से आदत पड़ जाएगी. एंड आई थिंक आई एम रियली ऑब्सेस्ड विद दिस मस्कारा राइट नाउ. ओके, मूविंग ऑन टू द स्किन केयर आइटम दैट आई गॉट इज दिस वन by the brand Pond's, and this is how the packaging of this product looks like. I am halfway through it. मैंने इसको almost खत्म कर दिया है यूज़ करके. I got this for ₹150 from Purple again. It's not very thick, it's not very thin, it's in between somewhere. When you apply it on your face, it will not make you feel oily or greasy. ये अच्छे से absorb हो जाता है and just leaves your face moisturized. I think it's high time you should invest in Pond's product because they are not adding skin lighting and brightening things in their products, which I'm really happy about. Video film हो गया and I almost forgot to talk about this nail paint. तो ये clip मैं कहीं बीच में डाल दूँगी. So let's talk about this particular nail paint that I have applied on my nails today. You guys can see काफ़ी सुंदर कलर है ये. My nails are looking really nice और मैंने सिंगल कोटिंग ही अप्लाई की है. बस इस नाखून पे मैंने डबल कोटिंग अप्लाई की है. And this is Faces Canada Splash Nail Enamel something, and I got this in the shade Boysenberry 133, which is a really pretty like brown color जो medium skin tones पे काफ़ी अच्छा लगेगा. And I'm totally in love with this particular shade. I truly feel that मेरे skin tone पे ऐसे shades काफ़ी उठ के नज़र आते हैं and they look really good, क्योंकि मेरी skin tone काफ़ी like switch करती रहती है, कभी कभी काफ़ी dark, कभी कभी काफ़ी light. तो ऐसे particular dark shades मेरे skin tone पे बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. If you are someone जिनके पास patience काफ़ी कम है and they are not ready to wait for 1 or 2 hours ताकि आपका nail paint dry हो जाए, you should definitely go for this particular formula. Also I'll say कि अगर आप single coat apply करते हो तो ये जल्दी से dry out हो जाएगा, but if you apply double coating तो ये काफ़ी time ले सकता है. Obviously आप कोई भी nail paint apply करो, अगर आप double coat apply करोगे at the same time तो ये time लेगा. I got this for rupees like 95, but इसकी MRP कुछ 100 something. आपको सेल में काफ़ी कम में ये पक्का मिल जाएगा क्योंकि इस ब्रांड की काफ़ी हाइप है अभी मार्केट में. एंड दिस वन इज Carmesin नेचुरल डिओड्रेंट रोल ऑन, 95% नेचुरल प्लस 5% एसेंशियल इंग्रेडिएंट्स. एंड दिस इज हाउ द प्रोडक्ट लुक्स लाइक. आई नो थोड़ा सा गंदा है ये, मैंने इसको थोड़ा लिपस्टिक के दाग लगा दिए हैं, बट आई डेफिनेटली से दिस इज वन ऑफ दोज प्रोडक्ट्स आई एम एब्सोल्युटली इन लव विद. एंड दिस इज हाउ द रोल ऑन लुक्स लाइक. यू मस्ट हैव सीन निविया के रोल ऑन्स एंड आई डोंट नो, बहुत सारे ब्रांड्स आजकल रोल ऑन इंट्रोड्यूस कर रही है मार्केट में. आई गॉट दिस इन द स्मेल फ्लोरल सनसेट एंड इट स्मेल्स लाइक, I don't know, it smells womanly, it also smells manly. कोई भी इसको यूज़ कर सकता है, even if you are a woman or even if you are a man, you can definitely use this particular deo. It says that it has no alcohol, no aluminium, no triclosan, which is really good thing. And I got this for rupees 170 or 180 something, और मुझे ये सेल पे मिला था. But the MRP of this product is 249, and for that like that much money you will get 50 ml of product. Also it's made in India product. And last but not the least, my favorite part, that is Mamaearth. And I got this Mamaearth Upton serum, and this is how the packaging of this product looks like. When I shifted to this particular like new home, मेरी skin पे काफ़ी tan आ गया था because I was not used to the like open space and open doors. तो मेरी skin काफ़ी tan हो गई थी, and I thought of giving a shot to this Upton serum, and I'm telling you ये work करता है. It's just that कि आपको काफ़ी patient रहना पड़ेगा. I got this for rupees 499, and this is, oh my god, and this is how the like my camera is not capturing, but this is how the serum looks like. इसमें थोड़ा सा yellowish tint है, which like very close to Upton का color. I have been using this at night only क्योंकि night में आपके skin का UV rays से कोई contact नहीं होता है. You have to apply this serum, and over that you have to apply a cream. And yeah, that's it for the video, and I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. And if you did, then please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family. Also follow me on Instagram. I have been posting a lot of makeup videos and reels and whatnot on my Instagram, so you will definitely enjoy my feed. And stay positive, stay happy. Bye bye.